Gold has hit record highs in 2026, crossing $3,000 per ounce for the first time. If you're an Australian investor, you've seen ETFs like GOLD, PMGOLD, and QAU skyrocketing. But most people just look at the price chart and have no idea how the actual numbers work. In this video, I'm using this complete Excel analysis of Australia's top 5 gold ETFs and explaining every single column, where the data comes from, and how the calculation works. By the end, you'll understand exactly how to calculate price changes, total returns, annualized returns, final values, profit and loss, and fee impacts. Let's dive in. Let's start with the foundation, columns D and E. These are the only two columns you need to update when new data comes out. Everything else auto-calculates. Column D, Start Price, 2023. These are the opening prices from early 2023. Column E, End Price, March 2026 closing prices. Now, let's calculate what happened to these prices. Column F, Price change in dollars. Simple subtraction equals E10 minus D10. GOLD, $41.23 gain per unit. Column G, Total return percent. Formula equals E10 divided by D10 minus 1. Let's calculate. GOLD equals 66.23 divided by 25 minus 1 equals 164.9%. Notice the huge spread from 60% to 165%. GOLD almost tripled your money. Next, let's see what that means as an annual return. Column H, Annual Return Percent, CAGR, Compound Annual Growth Rate. This is the most important column for comparing investments. What does 38.4% mean? If GOLD grew at exactly 38.4% every year for 3 years, it would reach $66.23. Now, let's put real money in cell D6, i.e. $10,000. Column I, Final Value, $10,000. Formula equals $D6 times E10 by D10. $D6 is our initial $10,000 investment. Multiply by the same growth factor. GOLD equals 10,000 times 2.6492 equals $26,492. Column J, Profit or Loss in dollars. Formula equals I10 minus $D6. Final value minus your initial $10,000. GOLD equals $16,492 profit. Column K, Management Fee, Annual fee charged by the ETF. On a $10,000 investment, GOLD's fee costs about $40 per year. Over 3 years, that's $120. Compare that to your $16,492 profit. It's a small price for the returns. Column L, AUM, Assets Under Management. How much money is in each ETF? Larger funds usually mean better liquidity. Now, let's see the true cost of fees. So there you have it, a complete breakdown of Australia's top 5 gold ETFs and exactly how their returns are calculated. If you want this exact spreadsheet, the link is in the description below. You can plug in your own numbers and update the prices as new data comes out. If this video helped you understand gold ETFs or Excel formulas better, hit that like button and subscribe for more Australian investing content. Thanks for watching and happy investing!